UFO spotted after storm before vanishing into space over Mexico. Reports emerged from Mexico of a UFO sighting that has caused quite a stir. According to several sources, a round, disc-shaped UFO was spotted after a storm before vanishing into space. The sighting was captured in a series of images, one of which shows a disc-shaped object estimated to be around 50 feet in diameter, emerging from the storm clouds. The photos were initially shared by Juan Manuel Sanchez, a car mechanic who claims to have taken the pictures near his house. After sharing the images on Facebook, they quickly went viral in Mexico and were even featured on national news TV. The clear and detailed photos have sparked speculation and discussion among UFO enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Despite the attention the photos have received, some have raised questions about their authenticity. However, Juan Manuel Sanchez has denied any claims that the photos are fake or a hoax. He stands by his story of witnessing the UFO and capturing the images while it was flying near his house. Juan claimed to have spotted a mysterious object while trying to take snaps of an approaching storm with his mobile phone. The clear and high-resolution photos appear to show a saucer shape hanging in front of the dark clouds in the distance. The photos have caused a stir, but it's unclear if it's camera trick, a natural phenomenon, an elaborate hoax, or a genuine sighting of a mysterious object. Juan, however, stands by his story and gave his account of the sighting, outside his home in Vail Hermoso, to Mexican television station RDTV. His wife and one of his co-workers also claimed to have seen the mysterious saucer, before it shot off into the sky towards space. The mechanic claimed that the object was around 50 feet across and was located approximately half a mile from his home. Despite providing photographic evidence of the object, some skeptics have claimed that it was a hubcap or a pan lid. However, Juan has vehemently denied these claims and insists that what he saw was indeed a UFO. When asked about his reaction to the sighting, Juan stated that he was in shock and that it wasn't fear, but rather astonishment that he felt. He also expressed disappointment that he was not able to capture the sighting on video, as his camera was in photo mode at the time. Later that same night, Juan reported seeing lights in the sky, and claimed that others in the area had reported similar sightings. However, he admitted to being hesitant to make his sighting public, due to the stigma associated with UFO sightings. In this case, the object has transformed into a plasma state, in preparation for launch at any time. There are various claims and theories about UFOs and their propulsion systems, including the possibility that they utilize a plasma state of matter in some way. Plasma is a state of matter in which atoms and molecules are ionized, meaning that they have lost or gained one or more electrons, resulting in a mix of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons. Plasma is often referred to as the fourth state of matter, in addition to solid, liquid, and gas, because it has distinct properties that set it apart from the other three. One of the properties of plasma that has led to speculation about its potential use in UFO propulsion systems is its ability to conduct electricity and generate magnetic fields. Some theories suggest that UFOs may use a plasma state of matter in some way to generate a powerful electromagnetic field that can provide lift and propulsion. Juan told RDTV that he and his colleagues were working outside their workshop when they noticed some dark clouds in the sky. He looked up and saw an object that he described as a disc-shaped UFO hovering above a nearby house and the cables. He quickly took out his mobile phone to record the event, but he was only able to capture a few photos before the object disappeared from sight. Juan explained that he was initially in photo mode. He said, "When we started watching it, it was in one place, it wasn't moving, and then as I got the second and third photo it started moving upwards." He changed his phone to video mode. Unfortunately, by the time he switched his phone to video mode, the object had already started moving upwards, and he was unable to capture any video footage. UFOs always use clouds to disguise themselves. There are claims that UFOs use clouds to disguise themselves by cloaking their presence within or behind them. Clouds are a natural phenomenon that are formed by the condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere. They are constantly changing in shape and size, and can be affected by various factors such as wind, temperature, and humidity. It is possible for flying objects to be obscured by clouds, but this is not necessarily intentional or indicative of cloaking technology. Juan was convinced that what he saw was a UFO, but he lamented that some people did not believe him. He said that some people suggested that what he saw was a light from a car or a pan of tamales. However, Juan remained convinced that he saw something unusual in the sky that day. Additionally, it occurs when UFOs are once more dominating headlines in the US, which is across the border. More people are speaking publicly about the subject now, including lawmakers, former service members, intelligence officials, and even former Presidents Barack Obama and Bill Clinton. And it culminated with a historic hearing on Capitol Hill earlier this year. US officials have conceded that there is something in the skies that they are unable to explain, and the stigma attached to the formerly off-limits subject is now fading. Are the previously unidentified phenomena caused by Chinese and Russian technology, unreleased US weapons, or undiscovered natural phenomena? Or could it be that well-known aeroplane or naturally occurring events are being completely misidentified? Or perhaps an instance of widespread panic and hoaxes?